91,666. Yo, chest pains. One thing about quantity surveyors, what I've learned, they are very quiet. Even here on YouTube and TikTok, they don't talk a lot. They don't comment, they don't say anything. They are just getting their money. Oh my God. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today I am looking at payslip, quantity surveyors. This was meant to be a built environment video, but I noticed that I have 4 payslips from quantity surveyors, so why not make a dedicated video for them? Okay, but next week Sunday, please expect a video on the following: 2 architects payslips, construction manager intern, GIS specialist, maintenance building officer, and a town planner. Okay, I think I'll also hoy a civil engineer there. Otherwise guys, let's get straight to this video. Now let's look at a junior estimator. Okay, the young man took his time with this one. He took his time. Dear Boni, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to say I'm a fan of your YouTube channel and a fellow professional. I have been working as a junior estimator / QS for almost 3 years in the mining sector, specifically as a contractor. Okay, mining sector, contractor guys. I know a lot of people, they'll be like, no, but which industry is this person from? Mining sector and as contractor. I'm feeling chest pains already, but trust me, I haven't seen this payslip, so I don't know how much they're earning. Right, so he carries on to mention that he wants to share his payslip for educational purposes. One crucial piece of advice I would like to offer your audience is the significance of salary negotiations. Okay, it is vital to recognize that the salary you receive is dependent on several factors and can be influenced by your negotiation skills and vacancy budgets. Okay, for instance, in the construction industry, a junior QS may earn less due to projects being less profitable than in the mining industry. Okay, it's essential never to accept the first offer and always ensure you are not leaving any money on the table. Guys, one thing I can tell you about the villagers, the male villagers. Oh my God, I just noticed that my window is open, so I need to close it. The male guys, I was still saying the male villagers. Oh, they are so confident. You know, when I read their emails, it doesn't matter. Some of them, they could be like quite young. I think these young men must be under the age of 30 or something, but they are so confident. You know, the way they present themselves, the way they write that email, you know, so in confidence, guys, and as females. Okay, so what I'm taking from these guys, negotiation skills. Okay, so additionally, I have been fortunate to receive several benefits, including a Christmas bonus, birthday bonus, and the option to contribute to a pension fund and receive medical aid allowance upon request. However, due to personal circumstances, I'm currently unable to request these additional benefits, which could also reduce my net income. Okay, the basic salary is 35,000 rands. Pay as you earn is 6,455. UIF 177, and there is a funeral from Sanlam for 19 rands. Total deductions 6,652, and a net pay of 28,346. That's a payslip of a junior QS. Okay, one thing I didn't get from this young man is his level, but I think he's got an undergrad. I don't think he's a professional, otherwise he would have mentioned if he was a professional, you know. So let's move to the next one. I'm a junior QS with a SACQSP to be candidate QS, but really doesn't change your salary, not until you are a professional. Okay, I have my honors in a QS and 2 years working experience. I'm working for a consulting firm in Gauteng. Okay, honestly, there's not much money in the profession, especially at my level of experience, but once you get your PR number, things look up. And most of these smaller firms, you don't get any benefits, you just get your raw salary. Balekani, guys. No, I don't think it's that bad. No, people don't need to run. It's just that, as you mentioned here, you still have your way to go to get your professional number, and it's 2 years work experience, guys. Okay, so let's give this company benefits of the doubt. All right, basic salary 23,500 and there's no benefits. This person is the honors. Total deductions 3,270 and a net pay of 20,229. All right, she's also a junior, but you see she's working for a consulting firm. The other one that gets a basic of 35, they work in the mining industry. So that's very important to note. Now, 2 more pay slips to go. I wished I had 5, but I couldn't wait anymore, guys. I had to record this video with 4 pay slips, you know. Hi, Boni. I'm appointed as a junior QS who is reporting to a QS. I hold a BTech in QS with almost 3 years experience. She is working in the mining industry, okay? Not a professional yet. Let's see how much she's getting. Remember, the other one was getting 35,000, also in the mining industry. So let's see how much this. Oh, okay. Junior QS, please. Mining industry. I don't want to faint. This person, guys, does not have a professional number yet. She's not a professional yet. Imagine how much the professional is getting. If she's getting 58,333, guys. Tax 14,370. UIF, and then she's paying a loan 2.5 towards a loan of 30,000. Total deductions 17,000. Net pay of 41,222. That's a junior QS with a BTech in quantity surveying, working in the mining industry. Okay, guys, please. I don't know how you feel about this one, but I mean, chest pains your kid. Chest pains your kid. Guys, please. Don't come here and say, oh no, but why she has a loan? We don't know. Whoever you are, if you're watching this, you have a good deal. Guys. Now let's look at a construction project manager. Okay. Hi Boni, I love the great work you're doing. Thank you. I have a BSc honors quantity surveying degree obtained in 2016 with 8 years experience as a project manager consultant in the construction and engineering industries. STEM careers hold a lot of opportunities. I fully agree with you with project manager. People been asking for this payslip for a longest time. Here it is. Okay. Guys, if you graduated in 2016 and you already have 8 years experience, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's possible. Right, you guys want to cook it, 2016 was 8 years ago, right? 7 years ago. Okay. Basic salary 91,666. Yo, chest pains. One thing about quantity surveyors, what I've learned, they are very quiet. Even here on YouTube and TikTok, they don't talk a lot. They don't comment, they don't say anything. They are just getting their money. Oh my God. 91,666. There is no overtime, nothing. And this person just has your honors degree. They are not a professional, okay? Right. Deductions 31,747, medical aid 3,637, and a net pay of 59,919. That's someone who is a construction project manager with a BSc honors in quantity surveying. Okay guys, I don't know how you feel about these pay slips. Please let me know. And if you work in this field, especially anything in the built environment, you could still be a QS. You can send me your pay slip at xaba.bonisile@gmail.com. Guys, I don't have jobs. Please don't send me CVs. I love you. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you on the next one.